How to create a pie chart in ClickCharts. Create a new blank diagram and go to the Graph tab. Place a pie chart on the canvas. Then either import a CSV file or click Edit Data to enter your data manually. Select the number of series, enter the values and labels, choose colors, and click OK. Adjust the title, legend, and displayed values as needed. When finished, go to the Home tab and click Save. Continue watching this tutorial for additional details on how to create a pie chart in ClickCharts. On the Home tab, create a new diagram by clicking New Blank. Next, go to the Graph tab and click Templates. Here you can choose from several sample pie chart templates to help you get started, or select Blank Diagram to create your chart from scratch. In the Graph Types panel on the left side of the window, select the pie chart symbol and click on the canvas to place it in your diagram. To resize the pie chart, click and drag any of the sizing handles. To move it, click and drag the chart to a new location on the canvas. To add data, click Import Data if you want to load information from a CSV file. The data should be arranged with the series names in the first row and the corresponding values in the second row. Data entries begin in the second column, as the first column is reserved for row labels. Alternatively, click Edit Data to enter your data manually. In the Edit Data window, select the number of slices for your pie chart from the Number of Series drop-down menu. You can create up to 12 series. For each series, enter a value, specify a label, and choose a color to represent that section of the chart. When you have finished entering your data, click OK to generate the pie chart. Change the font properties of the pie chart text by clicking the Font button. Click the Title button to add or edit the chart title. Select the title and use the floating toolbar to customize its font style, size, color, and alignment. Use the Key button to show or hide the legend, and click the Value button to show or hide the values displayed on the chart. Review your chart and make any necessary adjustments. Once you are satisfied with the result, return to the Home tab and click Save to store your work. For more ClickCharts tutorials, visit the address shown on your screen.